Hey, this is Diplo.
I'm Dillon Francis.
We're gonna be on Truth or Dab this week.
Oh, hit him with the slow motion. Make sure you check it out. EDM edition.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and welcome back to another episode of Truth or Dab, the Hot One special where we give our guests two simple options: tell the truth or suffer the wrath of the last dab. And today I'm excited to welcome Dillon Francis and Diplo. You know them as two of the world's most successful DJs. The first half of Dillon's new mixtape, Magic is Real, is available now. Lonely, alongside the Jonas Brothers, is the latest single from Diplo. Go check those out, but first, the Wings of Death, fellas, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us.
Excited to be here. I'll tell you what, I'm a bit nervous. I've seen these couple episodes. We don't have a lot of spices over at my house, so, but I'm a player. Let's play the game.
All right, well, before we get started, I'll break it down. In front of you guys have three scorching hot chicken wings that have all been doused in various versions of the last dab. I have a set of deeply personal, potentially awkward questions for each of you, and when I ask you a question, you have an option. Tell the truth or eat a death wing. And Dillon, we'll start with you because you're not shy about poking fun at EDM culture, whether it's through your character, DJ Hansel, or talking about the fan feedback that makes you roll your eyes during your Hot Ones interview. With that in mind, what's the most insufferable trend that you see in the world of EDM right now? Bonus points if you can give us the biggest culprits.
Oh, we already just did it. Text me. Here's my number.
Yeah, it's definitely Dillon.
I think putting up the numbers of people to text us is probably the like everyone in, even DJ, but like music in general, we're all doing it right now. It's like that annoying trend that's happening.
All right, Diplo, to you, I'm sure that you reach a certain status as a DJ and you have a lot of interesting checks that get dangled in front of you, whether it's like a goofy corporate retreat or some record executive's kid's bar mitzvah. When you think back in recent history, what do you think is the most shameless bag that you've taken? Bonus points if you can give us a dollar amount.
Well, we're DJs. Our whole job is like get paid to go DJ a party or whatever. So yeah, I have zero shame. I'll do any show there is. I don't think there's like an embarrassing party or figure I've done, because I've done like literally like, shows for free for kids. I've done like bar mitzvahs, which are always kind of lit.
Me too.
A lot of drugs at bar mitzvahs. I didn't know about this, okay?
a lot of boofing.
So yeah, I didn't know. Now I know. Now my kids are never having a bar mitzvah. But I'm shameless. I'll still eat a hot wing though. Fuck it, I want to play this game, so.
We have 4 more rounds to go. You have 3 wings.
Okay.
Let's play it slow for now.
All right.
So far, no wings off the board. Dillon, can you rank these celebrity DJs from best to worst?
Okay.
Shaquille O'Neal, Paris Hilton, Elijah Wood, Lindsay Lohan.
Elijah Wood DJs? Yo, he's number 1. I've never even seen him, but that's tight.
Is that the best one?
Yeah, that's the best one. The math is Elijah Wood is a saint. He can do anything he wants and I won't get mad. Lindsay Lohan, when the Mykonos, I know she's got like a
whole thing over there.
Yeah, the Lindsay Lohan experience. Well, yeah, I mean, I kind of want to trade Shaq, but
He's in trouble.
Painting himself into a corner.
I mean,
you should have left Lindsay Lohan for the end. I'm just letting you know.
Should have just.
Paris Hilton, actually sick DJ. Shaq, one of the craziest DJs
This is mine.
I'm just helping you out.
I like this.
Yeah, well, I mean, Shaq only plays dubstep. I mean,
When
he started playing.
Plays, it's like he goes in the crowd. He's like pictures of every person. He's like,
that's true.
It's actually the most extreme dubstep I've ever heard. So kudos to him to like keep
my
that
list.
world alive.
My list is getting taken over. Elijah Wood, shout out Lindsay Lohan, Shaq, then Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton's cool, I don't know, but she's still at the bottom. I'm sorry.
Somebody has to be. All right, through 2 rounds here.
Yeah.
Going so far, the wing's still on the board.
What is this game?
Diplo, the DJ Magazine Top 100 list. It seems to be a list that famous DJs loathe and simultaneously cannot stop talking about.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So with that in mind,
you
can you give us your unfiltered thoughts on the top 100 list?
This is a
and
new
what
one?
problems, if any, do you have with this year's top 10?
Wow. Well, I'm not in it, but I'm gonna eat a wing.
You're not gonna
There
go
you go.
for it?
No, because I know all these guys, and they're all weirdos, to be honest. But I actually got banned from the list. I told people I'd pay if they voted for me, and I got like banned forever as a joke. But I'm off it, so not even top 10, either of us.
I didn't get on it. Damn,
Fuck
dude.
this list. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Well, this
Do I
has a lot
gotta
of-
eat the whole wing?
Yeah, you do.
This is
All the way down
which
to
is
the
hottest
stick.
one.
They're all, there's no place to hide with those
Am I gonna
three.
poop my pants?
You put the laxative in these, right?
Yeah.
Immediate.
They're laced.
Immediate poop your pants.
I'm gonna go around it and then go to it.
There you go.
Might be a better idea just to like take the stick, just
All
get
right,
that
the whole
whole
thing?
thing to go. Yeah, you gotta eat the whole thing.
That's a good dose. That's a good dose.
All right, it's hot.
We're halfway through, baby.
2 rounds down, 3 to go. Yeah.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Dylan,
Yes.
which major record label is the biggest pain in the ass when it comes to clearing samples or guest verses? Bonus points if you can give us a story to encapsulate that struggle.
Don't mention my
I
label.
think you got our questions reversed, man.
Is that a better?
I'm not even on a record label right now.
But I know. I think that may be why you know that struggle.
I don't ever think it has to do with the record label. I think it mostly has to do with the artist being a dick or something like that. Usually it's like, I think that's the case, right?
Yeah. What do you?
It's usually. Wouldn't you say so?
I'm gonna have no idea what you just said.
Labels can definitely be difficult, but I think that's more for like timing stuff.
Well, you didn't answer the question, really.
Oh, whatever, man. I'll clean this thing, man.
Shot it from the mountaintops.
Oh, that's hot. I have this rose lip balm on.
Also, you don't
I'll
put
wash it right off.
You don't want to put a record label under the bus because then you can't actually get any clearances. So.
That's true.
Right.
That's why I
It'll make
say-
it harder for
that's why
yourself.
that's
That
why I
was
put it on the-
strategic.
I
That
put
was
it on the
strategic, Dylan.
people.
Oof. But you know who you are.
Uh-huh.
You're not clearing those fucking samples, so fuck you. Let's go.
Diplo, ghost producing. It's a hot button issue amongst EDM fans. Can you out a famous DJ who you think needs to be called out for practicing the art of private collaborations more than most?
Oh, fuck.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna eat another wing. Okay.
Ooh, that's good whole milk. Thick.
Oof.
You know,
Okay.
This is definitely all 10s.
I'm gonna just do a whole little dabby that.
Ooh, I don't know why I ate the whole thing.
you're very confident, Dylan. Going
It
in.
tastes good.
Yeah,
Great sauce.
thank you. I appreciate
I
that.
just realized though that these all say 10s on every single one of them.
And they are. And they are.
Ooh. Next question.
All right.
Oh, it's hot.
Can you give us a ballpark of your pre-tax take-home income last year? You know, salary transparency, it's all the rage these days.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
You put it on top of the other one. Mm-hmm. They start having sex in your mouth. And that's not good. I mean,
No.
it's good, but that hurts your tongue.
Diplo,
Yeah.
of all the people that you've annoyed on Twitter over the years, whether it's the Swifties or the Burning Man purists,
Yeah.
which niche interest group gave you the most internet smoke? Like, who would you
Oh
never
my God,
mess with
Taylor
again?
Swift by far.
Really?
Oh man, her fans are insanity. Like it's crazy. Mm-hmm. And you know, me and her actually cool. We're friends, but like they still hate me, and they still like try to find ways to like make my life more difficult. So
They're organized.
yeah, they're like a mafia.
All right, fellas, we're on to the last round here, round number 5, and you each have 1 wing remaining. And that is great for this little game that we'll be playing. Because on Instagram, you guys paint this picture, peak BFF goals, from these jet-setting vacations to the quality bro time to executing secret handshakes. And right now, we are going to put those bonds to the test with a BFF game. Dom is coming in
Oh, this sucks.
with a pen and paper.
Be my BFF.
So I'll ask a
I got you.
question. You guys will write down your answers.
I don't think I know how to write anymore.
There's only 1 wing left though.
And there's only one wing left because whoever comes out the other side of this, the loser has to eat a death wing to close this thing out. All right, are you guys ready for the first question?
Yeah.
What is your BFF's birthday? What is your BFF's birthday? So Dylan, you'll write what you think Diplo's birthday is. Diplo, you'll write what you think Dylan's is. And whoever comes closest will win this first round of 3.
My mouth's on fire, dude. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I burped on camera.
All right. The reveal, 1, 2, 3. Every day is my BFF's
B-Day.
July 4th, which is not that far off because Dylan, it's an October 5th birthday for you.
Our
And then
birthday
of
just
course,
happened.
It did.
Diplo, you're November 10th.
Yeah.
So after one round, Diplo, you're up 1-0 here. You're up 1-0.
The fuck, dude?
All right, second question. Name one job your BFF had before becoming a world famous DJ.
Easy.
Got it.
A civilian job your BFF had before becoming a world famous DJ.
Oh, got in my nose.
And reveal. Diplo, what do you got there?
He was Dallas Austin's assistant, and he also worked at that really cheesy clothing brand.
Jay Lindbergh.
Was Hunters, but also with Eric at
Oh, fuck.
Chris and Autajay.
Ed Hardy.
He worked at Hardy.
Yo, back in the day.
I knew that.
He was an English teacher in Japan.
All right, so
True.
here we are in the final round of these
I had 2
three.
answers though, by the way.
One
that.
more to go, and this is a 2-parter, so you can't actually get 2 points for this one. So right now, Diplo, you're up 2-1. All right, this is the.
Oh, yeah, because we both won that one?
Yep, both got points there.
Fuck
This
me.
third question is, what is your BFF's most watched YouTube video, and how many views does it have?
I got it.
Oh fuck. I'm a one-hit wonder, man. So
You're
obvious.
not
Okay.
though. You
Hold on.
guys both have huge YouTube
What is that
videos.
song, Dylan?
Fuck, dude, this sucks. I hate this show. These wings are way hotter than the ones on Hot Ones.
It's a different
I know it is.
experience.
Okay, what's the second one?
Diplo's hyped. Looks like he's gonna put a nail in the coffin here.
What's the biggest Diplo song? What are we doing, 10B?
All right.
I thought it was the one. Is it called like the one?
No, you got it, you got it.
The one with like Residente
With
from Calle
Residente.
13. I couldn't even say it.
Calle 13.
Sexo? Something about sex?
Yeah, no, you got it.
I thought it's. I'm guessing it's like this many.
Lean On, I feel like hit 100 billion or something like that, right?
So you are correct there, but 2.6 billion views on Lean On.
I knew it was in the bills.
That's in
You're
the-
82 billion wrong.
Yeah, you know what?
88 billion
The
wrong.
thought that counts, it's sure.
But that's a very rare place to be, that 2.6 billion club. Not many videos up there. What you missed, Diplo. Get Low.
Oh fuck.
Yeah,
Get Low, 602 million views. So that actually brings us
To a tie.
to a tie,
Fuck.
which I think only means I'll take this one. I'll
Not a
take this
tiebreaker?
one. And you don't have to eat that unless you want to.
Yo, eat it. Come on.
All
My
right.
nose already running like crazy.
I'll eat that last one, you don't have to.
All right.
We'll split this.
No,
one.
no, I'm just kidding. You eat that.
Let's split it. No.
Well, there it is.
Oh yeah.
That shit hits.
This shit's hot. Another truth or dab in the books. Dillon Francis, Diplo, anything that you'd like to say to the people before we get you to an ice bath?
Go stream my best friend's song, Lonely with the Jonas Brothers. Go stream my mixtape, Magic is Real, right now. We love you. We'll see you at the next show. EDM lights now! We got 1, we got 2!
I did 3, baby.
You did it. Yo, you got some, like-
Then when he was.
Red lips right now.
I did
This is
all of
gonna
them.
happen.
You know you got
yeah.
the Kylie Jenner effect.
I did all 3, bro. You didn't do any of it.
I did it too, man.
Yeah, you answered mad
I
questions.
cleaned my wings, bro. Look at this.
Take his mic off me.
All right, I'm gonna go home and cry.
What is up? What is up, Spice Lords? Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. First we feast. First we feast. Like and subscribe. What is up,
New
Spice
York.
Lords? Unique New York. La 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 la. Like and subscribe. It's Camera Guy Bill here saying it's good to be Camera Guy Bill.